Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about nested if. So what is nested if? So if condition inside if condition, it's called nested if. Okay, let's say let me just say here, I'm going to remove this. Okay, now here you can see, if I say here that if age is equal to 1, you are a newborn. Okay, so I'm going to say here like this, and I'm going to cut it from here. I want to paste it here. All right, so copy it once again, paste. Okay, here you can see we have if statement at first. Here we have set the age value, let's say 0, and I'm going to say here that, and I have said here that if condition age is greater than 0, if age is greater than 0, then it will actually enter this clause. Okay, otherwise we'll say, we'll print here that you haven't been born yet. And let's say now I have different condition for the different age. Let's say if the age is I want to say that if the age is equal to, let's say 1, you are newborn. And I will say if the age is, and if the age is equal to 60, we will say you are an old person. Let's say old body. Let's see if the age is 100, I'll say you are a lucky guy. Okay, so here you can see we have if condition inside if. So this is called nested if. Okay, here you can see I have set integer value of the age is 0, and I'm going to say here that, okay, if age is greater than 0, then it will actually enter this clause, and it will check another if condition inside it, and that is if age is equal to 1, if age is smaller than or equal to 10. So now let's go and check, and here you can see you haven't born yet. Why? Because your age is smaller than 1. All right, your age is 0, you have no age, so you haven't actually born yet, right? Okay, now let's say I want to say here, let's say 1, so it will actually show me 2 output, right? Yeah, because here you can see, so I can actually give here 10, let's say. Now go, and now you can see you are a newborn. And if I say here, let's say I'll say here, let's say 11, and here you can see nothing. If I say here 60, you can see you are an old body. So it will actually go, when the age is 60, it will actually check this if statement, and then it will go inside it, because the 60 is greater than 0. So the condition is true, then it will actually enter here, and it will see that, okay, the age is equal to 1, no, 10, no, 60, yes, then it will actually print it. Then it will check the age is equal to 100, no, then it will not print it, and it will actually close it. So that's it. This is called nested if condition inside if condition. Okay, thank you so much for watching.